What's up, everybody? How are you doing? I hope everybody is having a beautiful, blessed week on this Thanksgiving week, 2019. I did have a follower reach out to me, inquiring mine, and she is actively being garnished. And so she reached out to me, and her question was there any hope for her? Was there anything that she could do about being garnished? And I say, yes, you absolutely can. But before we get to what you can do to stop the garnishment, let's kind of back up and talk about how we got to the point of garnishment. So, what happened is in her case, the creditor collection agency didn't have her current information. And so they were reaching out and they went ahead and she never received the notice, the information about her, possibly being sued. In our case, in anybody's case, if you do receive paperwork, if you receive a judgment and they are trying to take you to court, go. They're banking on you not showing up because if you do not show up, then they're going to automatically get a default judgment against you. They're going to automatically win just off the fact of you not showing up, and it doesn't have anything to do with whether you're able to, whether you're even liable to pay that debt or if they even have the right. All your rights are thrown out the window the minute that you don't show up. So they're banking on you not showing up. Collection agencies, original creditors are making millions and millions of dollars because as soon as we get served, we get scared and we don't show up to court. So show up to court. There are so many different reasons why they still can't win the judgment. It could be that you weren't served, or it could be that you were served and the judgment went through anyways without a hearing. Or it could be that they don't even have, that they're not even allowed to collect a debt in your state legally. But you would never know any of these things. Just know that the laws are made for us, for the consumers, and the collection agencies, original creditors, they have the burden of proof. They have to prove that they are legally able to collect for that debt, whatever the case may be. So you are 100% innocent until proven guilty. So, just keep that in mind. So, to fast forward, if you get to the point where you are getting garnished, what you need to do is you need to apply for a vacate judgment motion. Okay. Now, a vacate motion is something that you could be eligible to apply for this, and it will go ahead and it'll put a stop on your garnishment. So you can take a step back and basically go through all the steps that the motions that didn't go through in the first place that reached to the garnishment. So again, just a quick review. If you ever get served papers, don't give up. My daughter wants to say hi. Say hi. Okay. So anyhow, don't be afraid. Don't give up. Go to court. Show up. You don't have to go there and say that the debt is not yours or any of that. All you have to do is go ahead and just show your face. Like I said, they're gonna have since they're the ones that filed the case, they're the ones that are gonna have to have the burden of proof. They have to do all the work. They have to show everything. And you're innocent until proven guilty. And so be sure to show up so that they don't get that default judgment on you. And if they've already got the default judgment and you're currently being garnished, then go down and file for a vacate judgment motion. You may be able to seek legal aid. They may be able to help you. You may have your own. I'm not a lawyer. I'm not giving any legal advice, but you may have your own counsel that can help you. Or you can also look for let's see here. What are we calling these other? You could seek a free consultation with a consumer protection lawyer. You can also do that as an option. So again, just wanted to come to you with a quick little, information and let you know that if you are being garnished, it can be stopped. Don't give up. All right. Have a great Thanksgiving weekend. This is Clacy with Each One Teach One Financial, the Credit Chick. Till next time. Bye-bye.